to come closer, and this is the entrance here down on the bottom. This is called a Haengekorb, a hanging basket. It's woven out of rice straw and has a layer of cow dung on the outside. And those bees moved in the spring, in April, beginning of April, and they swarmed by the end of May. And it's like this is the skin of this being. It can show us the outside boundary of this being. And everything normally is round in a beehive. It's a warm August day.
At the Melissa Garden.
At the Melissa Garden.
Mm-hmm.
Here. Come all the way down here, Barbara, too, and shoot up. Yeah, so you can see from below, a little bit further down, the whole cone. Really, all what this basket does is it reflects that natural shape and makes it visible to us. Once we open it, the sun is so hot, and we won't be able to keep it open for very long. because of the natural comb of the heat of the sun. It's cooler inside than it is outside right now. It's probably in the 90s or so. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. That's a propolis. Hello everybody. Many bees. Let's see whether we can open this all the way. Hello everybody. There's even a wax moth living in here. And now we'll move one frame. They're all half moon shaped. Look how beautiful they made this heart-shaped comb. And they just built it off this little thin edge. That's what they like to start comb on. All the way down, down towards the earth. And here's some roots, bigger combs.